Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and in this video, we'll be just drawing the long section, or you can say the profile of road, maybe railway line, maybe for a canal. Okay, it does not matter. So we will be drawing long sections. Okay, this is just the simple word for that. I'll be using AutoCAD 2015. You can use any version, does not matter, and a noise plugin which is known by SWDTM. It is completely free. You can download it from the Google. Just type swdtm download for free and you can download it from there. Okay, now I have coordinates in Excel. It is just a simple, you can say, format. Okay, we have northing, easting, and then elevations, and these are the remarks. Okay, and these are actually the point numbers. So what you have to do, make sure you have just opened your AutoCAD and then you have just run the swdtm. It's just, you can see it is just a toolbar. Okay, a very simple toolbar. You can see it, swdtm free, and this is digital terrain modeling 2014. Okay, there is a latest version, you can also download that, no problem. Let's jump into the AutoCAD and let me just open that Excel file. As you can see, we have different options over here. What I have to do is just to import these points, okay, into the AutoCAD, and I'm gonna just select all these points. Okay, you can just select specific points, but this time I'm going to select all the points. Now what you have to do is just to click on the points, and then as you can see, we have import points from Excel. You can also import points from file, does not matter. You can add points. This time you have in Excel format, so let's click import points from Excel. As you can see, this is just the point level scale. You can just decrease it, increase it, whatever you want. Let me just leave that by default, no problem. Okay, click import points. As you can see, the points are being imported. Let's jump into the AutoCAD. Now you can zoom extend just by clicking, you can say just double click on the middle button of the mouse. Okay, you can see these are points. Okay, let's just zoom in. As you can see, we have the labels. Okay, the elevations, and you can say the numbers, and these are actually the remarks. Okay, you can say labels, OGL, no problem. Next, what I'm going to do is just to draw the alignment for the center line. For that, you can click the alignment and then click draw alignment. Okay, now approximately just locate the cursor or specify the starting point. Okay, this time, as you can see, we have 9 points. Okay, you can say 9 shots are taken. Okay, let me just count: one, two, this one, three, four, and then five, six, and 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 points. It means the fifth one can be the center. One, this one, two, then we have three, four, and let's say this one. This is going to be the center. Okay, and then let's just approximately take another point. Okay, on the other side. Click that. Now, what you have to do is just to press the enter key from your keyboard. That's just the alignment. Okay, you can see that. Now, what I'm going to do is just to you can say give it a boundary. For that, just click on the draw, add boundary, and now just approximately add a boundary for the same points. Okay, you can click the same or you can just apply the same process as I'm doing. Okay, it's so simple, you can just do it approximately. Let's close the boundary. When I'm done, I'm gonna click the enter button. As you can see, this is just the boundary. Next, just click on the points and then process the points. Now click OK. As you can see, the points are being processed successfully. Okay, click OK. Now, in order to draw the long section or maybe cross section, you have to triangulate the given points. Okay, so click triangles and then click triangulate. Now click OK. As you can see, it's been done. Okay, the triangulation, it means they have just drawn the contour map. You can just consider the same thing, okay, for the data. Now next, what I have to do is just to click on the cross section and then click sections by DTM. Okay, next, as you can see, we have two options over here, the long profile and the long profile, and then the sections. This time I don't want to include the cross sections. I only want to plot the long sections. Okay, so I can just click date one. Now select the you can say the center line or maybe the reference line for the profile. So click select, but before that you have to just save the file. For that, let's just specify a location. You can say desktop, and let me just type the, you can say, long sections for the same data and click save. It is just to save the same you can say file. Okay, now select the same profile which has been, or you can say the alignment which has been drawn few seconds ago. Okay, click date one, and it's been done. As you can see, the total length of the selected alignment is 1591.405. Okay, so it's been shown over there. Now what you have to do is just to click on the cross section and then draw long profile cross section, and then click on the draw long profile. It's going to be so simple. Okay, make sure the read data that is just from the depart file. Okay, the interval, this is very important. Okay, I want the interval to be 15 meters. Okay, just you can say the sections distance, or you can say the changes. Okay, the SWDTM will take. Okay, so let's say 15 meters. It's normally 20 meters, maybe 30 meters, does not matter in the, you can say, for the straight line. For the curved line, it can be very adjacent. You can say 5 meters, maybe 8 meters. Okay, no problem. The paper size you want to change, you can do that. The horizontal and vertical scales, all these things. Let me just leave those things by default. You can click execute. Okay, and the AutoCAD or the SWDTM will do the remaining work. Now what you have to do is just to click on the draw all. Okay, and then just click in the working area to, you can say, just pick any point as a reference point. As you can see, AutoCAD will create a pretty nice profile for you. This is a long section. You can just read the change in kilometers, the existing levels, okay, in meters, and these are, you can say, meters. Okay, 5.432. This is just the meter. Okay, you can say the elevation at the same change which has just been labeled over here. Okay, so, and it is for the change 0 plus 0 0, you can say, from the start to the 1 plus 591.41 kilometers. Okay, so this is a pretty cool profile. You can see this is the, you can say, the existing level. You can draw the formation level as well. You can also change the vertical or maybe the horizontal scale. Let me just change the vertical scale into 50. Okay, and then click draw all, and it will draw the same thing but with a different scale. You can see that it is pretty cool curvature. Okay, so this is how you can draw the long section or maybe the profile for road. In the next video we will draw the cross sections. See you in the next video.